As I cannot bring myself to make a chemistry rap, please enjoy the vocabulary and a summary of the concepts found in Chapter 14, Acids and Bases put to electronic dance music. Thank you.
Binary acid that contains only two different elements, H and more electronegative element. Oxyacid that is a compound of hydrogen, oxygen, and, usually, a nonmetal. Arrhenius acid chemical compound that increases the concentration of hydrogen atoms in aqueous solutions. Arrhenius base substance that increases the concentration of hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions. Strong acid ionizes completely in aqueous solutions. Weak acid releases few hydrogen ions in aqueous solutions. Brønsted-Lowry acid molecule or ion that is a proton donor. Brønsted-Lowry base molecule or ion that is a proton acceptor. Brønsted-Lowry acid-base reaction when protons are transferred from the acid to the base. Monoprotic acid an acid that can donate only one proton per molecule. Polyprotic acid an acid that can donate more than one proton per molecule. Diprotic acid an acid that can donate 2 protons per molecule. Triprotic acid an acid that can donate 3 protons per molecule. Lewis acid an atom, ion, or molecule that accepts an electron pair to form a covalent bond. Lewis base an atom, ion, or molecule that donates an electron pair to form a covalent bond. Lewis acid-base reaction the formation of one or more covalent bonds between an electron pair donor and an electron pair acceptor. Conjugate base the species that remains after a Brønsted-Lowry acid has given up a proton. Conjugate acid the species that remains after a Brønsted-Lowry base has gained a proton. Amphoteric any species that can react as either an acid or base. Neutralization the reaction of hydronium ions and hydroxide ions to form water molecules. Salt an ionic compound composed of a cation from a base and an anion from an acid. Acids have a sour taste and react with active metals. Bases have a bitter taste, feel slippery to the skin and dilute aqueous solutions. Both change the colors of acid-base indicators, react to make water and salts, and conduct electricity in aqueous solutions. Arrhenius acids contain hydrogen and ionize in aqueous solutions to form ions. Arrhenius bases produce hydroxide in aqueous solutions. The strength of Arrhenius acids and bases is determined by how much they ionize. Acids that donate more than one proton per molecule are polyprotic. Acids that donate one proton per molecule are monoprotic. Diprotic and triprotic acids are polyprotic. Every Brønsted-Lowry reaction has 2 conjugate base pairs. Strong acids have a weak base and vice versa. Proton transfer reactions favor the production of the weaker acid and weaker base. The acidic or basic behavior of a molecule containing O groups depends on the electronegativity of other atoms in the molecule and on the number of oxygen atoms bonded to the atom that is connected to the O group. A neutralization reaction produces water and an ionic compound called a salt. Acid rain can create severe ecological problems. Acid rain can create severe ecological problems.